Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the Google account on Play Store and Android phone. Let's dive right into the solutions. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Step 3. Under your email, tap Google account. Step 4. Tap on data and privacy. Step 5. Scroll all the way down and tap on delete your Google account. Wait for a few seconds to open a new page. Here, scroll all the way down and select the two options. Then tap on delete account. This will permanently delete your Google account from Play Store. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more helpful and smartphone tips.